now. Those were the days. Vale, Bubu, forever home. Running barefoot down a sandy road, school bags dropped, we're finally home. Cousins calling from every side, laughter echo, nowhere to hide. Weekend comes, we don't wanna leave. Bubu cooking smells so sweet. Grandpa smiling on the chair outside, telling stories till the late night tide. Simple life, but we had it all in that little house where love stood tall. Oh, Vale and Bubu, we coming again. All the cousins, more than 10, sleeping on mats side by side. Full house but hearts open wide. You gave your best, we didn't know how much love you used to show. Now we see it through memories. You gave us everything we need. Early morning rooster cries, sunlight dancing in our eyes. Tea and bread on the wooden table, Bubu saying grace, always grateful. Running wild till the ocean breeze, climbing trees, skin on knees. No TV, no fancy things, but we were rich in everything. And no, those days were gold. Now they live inside my soul. Oh, Vale and Bubu, we coming again. All the cousins, more than 10, sleeping on mats side by side. Full house but hearts open wide. You gave your best, we didn't know how much love you used to show. Now we see through memories. You gave us everything we need. Now we're older, times have changed. Different roads but love remains. Still I hear your gentle voice. In my heart I still rejoice. Vina kavakale bumbumbo kaitatai. Every smile Senganiali Pagrawaloma. Those nights, those days. Oh, Vale, Bubu, we coming again. Through our hearts again and again. Every memory, every smile stayed with us all the while. You gave your best, now we know. Through your love we learned to grow. From those nights on woven mats, we became who we are at. Vale, Bubu, still my home. Even when I'm far, I'm not alone. Ooh, love lives on.